Right, so this is a video to follow the how-to with making a lithium-ion salt cell made from an 18650 battery. The original is still running nice along, nicely there. It's just stayed just about the same. What I'm going to do is something that was suggested by Chance Encounter in the comments, and that was, what would happen if I just used water? So I've cut a aluminium plate and I've cut one of the copper plates. What I'm going to do is to put that piece of paper into the water, get it all soaked, and then to make sure the thing's pressed down firmly. He was saying about rubbing the water into this material. This will be the lithium cobalt or whatever kind of construction that's made of, and make sure the whole thing is, you know, thoroughly soaked with the electrolyte, which is just the water in this case, and then I'll see what the output is. And by the way, there's so much of that material all rolled up in the kind of jelly roll thing there. It could make about, I have no idea, about a dozen cells of this type or something like that. But anyway, I'll get on with that and report back. Okay, here's the water soaking now, and what I'm going to do is put the aluminium plate and then the paper and then the copper plate and then put them in this bag. There we go, that's the cell constructed. And now let's have a see what is actually on it for voltage. How about that? 0.6. And it is climbing the same as the other one did the other day. Or is it? No, now it's coming down. Or is it? That's a bit of a strange one, isn't it? In fact, what happens if I do press the thing? Oh, it comes down. Release it, and it's back up again. Oh, that's an interesting one. Well, that begs the question then, will it run that oscillator? And if we compare there to the one that was using the Epsom salts and alum, we'll see what happens. So here we go, I've moved the circuit nearer and I'll connect up this positive. And how about that? Well, that was a great idea, Chance Encounter. It seems to work fine just with water. So there we are. That's a very simple technique for creating one of these lithium-ion 18650 based cells, and that's running absolutely fine. In fact, just as well as the Epsom and alum. I have no idea about charging, but certainly for running pure, as it were, that is not a bad method at all. Okay, thanks again, and thanks all for watching.